सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं रिगार्डिंग टू जस्ट केमिस्ट्री इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल। In previous video regarding to GOC, we have discussed about the just substituents and we have just discussed about the 12 of the function group regarding to the table number first as a common system. Today we'll go with them one by one. First of all, if we'll go with the series, then this is the Rx. This is the Rx, where Rx means alkyl halide. As a halogen, there may X is equals to F, then it will be fluoride. For Cl, it will be chloride. For Br, it will be bromide. For I, it will be iodide. Fluoride, this is the fluoride. This is the chloride. Chloride. This is for the bromide. And for this it will be your iodide. This is the iodide. Now we'll go with the just examples. If I'll go with the Rx, then they are known as alkyl halide as a common system. First of all, I'll go with the first example. We can take your CS3Br. Second is your CS3CH2Cl. Third, you can take CS3, CS2, CS2, this is the I. Fourth, CS3, CH, CS3, Cl. Fifth, CS3, CS2, CS2, H2, and this is the Br. You can take sixth compound as a CS3. This is the CH, this is the F, CS2, CS3. This is the seventh compound, as we can take CS3, CH, CS3. This is the CH2, CS, this is the CS3. So CS2, and here we can take Cl also. If I'll go with the eighth example, then we can take eighth example as a CS3. This is the just your CS3. This is the CS3. We can take I also. As a ninth example, we can take regarding to 5 carbon as a normal. This is the normal structure. 3 and to 5. This is the your, you can take Cl, Br, I, etc. CS3, this is the CHCS3. This is your CS2, CS2, 3 and to 5, and this is the I. This is your 11th compound, CS3. This is your CH. This is your Cl, CS2, CS2, and CS3. This is your 12th compound, CS3, CS2, CH, I. This is the CS2 and CS3. This is your 13th compound. As we can take just iso structure, we have taken just this is the neo structure. We have discussed neo structure. Here we can take just F also. This is your 14 structure. This is the 14 structure, and 14 structure is your, here is an iso neo is possible. Secondary and secondary active, iso secondary active. This is the CS3, CH, this is your Br. You can take CH, CS3. This is the CS3, and this is your 15 compound. May as a 15 compound, we can take CS3, CCS3. This is the CS2, CS3, and this is the I also, and this is your final 16 compound, CS3, CS2. This is the CH, CS3. You can take CS3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the CS2, Cl. These are the just 16 compound regarding to just each and every substituent. पेशेंटली आप इनको नॉमेनक्लेचर ढंग से सुने, हर एक चीज आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। 16 कंपाउंड पहली बार यूज कर रहा हूं, नेक्स्ट टाइम अगले स्लाइड में यूज नहीं करूंगा, इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड से यूज करूंगा, तो आप हर एक को अच्छे से समझें। व्हाट इज दैट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम डिस्कस करें, देन दिस इज द CH3. CH3 is called as methyl and Br is called as bromide. So the common name of this compound will be methyl bromide. Methyl bromide. For this it is ethyl and Cl is chloride. So the common name of this compound will be ethyl chloride. Now the time to discuss about this. This is the normal chain with the 3 carbon. So N propyl. This is the I, so iodide. And propyl iodide. This is the isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride, because there is 2 carbon or the 1 carbon atom. For this is the long chain. For the 4 carbon atom, so it will be N butyl. This is the bromide, N butyl bromide. Now I would like to go with the next. This is the secondary, or you can say 2 degree butyl. F is your fluoride. Fluoride. If you will go with the further, then it is called as again your iso, 2 carbon with the 1 carbon atom, butyl. This is the chloride. Cl is called as chloride. Here is the fluoride, so fluoride, bromide, so on. Now the time to discuss about this. This is called as 3 degree structure. So this is called as 3 degree or tert butyl iodide. If you will go with this, then you can say N pentyl, or you can use N amyl, as I told you, chloride also, and amyl chloride. This is the isopentyl or isoamyl, isopentyl or isoamyl iodide. Here it will be your secondary, just active, secondary active pentyl chloride, secondary active pentyl chloride. This is just secondary pentyl iodide, secondary pentyl iodide. This is your neopentyl fluoride, neopentyl fluoride. If you will go with the next, then here is your iso, secondary active pentyl. This is the iso secondary active pentyl. This is the bromide. So this was about the just your 14 compound. Now we'll go with this. Then this is the 3 degree structure. So it will be 3 degree pentyl or tert pentyl. This is the iodide. For this you will go, then it is called as active pentyl just chloride. So this was the nomenclature for the first as a alkyl halide. These are the 15 possible formulae. We can take just 16 possible formulae. We can take 2 or more also. Just there may following condition also. This is the 15. After 16 it is the 17. You can take CH2 double bond CHCl. As I told you, this is called as vinyl. So the name of compound will be vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. If there is following, then this is the 18 compound. We can take CH triple bond C, CH2, and this is the Cl. Then you will say this is the N propargyl, propargyl chloride, and you can say propargyl chloride, or you can say simple propargyl chloride also. So this was about the just first as a alkyl halide. Now I would like to go with the second, that is your ROH as a alcohol. This is the second function group, or you can say compound, as a ROH. Here we will take ROH. This is known as, here is OH, that's why it will use of alkyl alcohol. This is the alcohol. So we will not use as a bromide, chloride, fluoride, so on. Now the structure, I'll take again these 17 to 18 compound again. So the name will be as follows and the structure will be as follows. How? Listen me carefully. See the video properly, because of without doing this common system you can't do, as I told you in previous video. So be careful. This is the next compound, so I'll erase the name. This is the next compound. Here is the next compound. The name of next compound I'm going to be erased, because of now time to discuss about the alcohol. So time to discuss about the alcohol, then it will be as follows. This is the again removal, here will removal, here will removal, the name of compound. Now the time to discuss about the to take just function group or alcohol. So if I'll go with this first compound, then here will OH, here will also OH, at each and every position of the halogen it will OH alcohol like this. Here will also, in spite of halogen, here will alcohol group like this. I am going to be erase. Here is the alcohol, and here we can take alcohol also. So here is also alcohol and alcohol. Now the time to discuss about the nomenclature. This is again your methyl and OH is your alcohol. So the name of compound will be methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. This is the ethyl and OH, that's why it will be ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. If I'll go with the further, then this is the N-propyl alcohol. N means normal, propyl alcohol. Due to presence of OH group, here will isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Here will just your N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol. This is your secondary butyl or 2-degree butyl. 2-degree or secondary butyl alcohol. This is your isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. This was about the just alcohol. Now if we'll go with this structure, then here will be OH, so it is called as 3-degree or tert-butyl alcohol. If I'll go with this, then it is called as N-pentyl or N-amyl alcohol. So this is the N-pentyl. You can say alcohol or N-amyl alcohol. This is isopentyl alcohol or isoamyl alcohol, isopentyl alcohol, yeah, isoamyl alcohol. This is secondary active pentyl alcohol. Secondary active pentyl alcohol. This is the only secondary or 2-degree pentyl alcohol. 2-degree pentyl alcohol. This is the further. This is your neopentyl alcohol. Neopentyl alcohol. This is the iso secondary active pentyl alcohol. Iso secondary active pentyl alcohol. pentyl alcohol. For this, it will be your 3-degree pentyl alcohol, 3-degree pentyl alcohol. This is the, just you can say, active pentyl alcohol, and this is the, you can say, vinyl alcohol, which is unstable in nature. Why it is unstable in nature? Because of, we'll take further, this is the vinyl alcohol, and it will be a tautomerism. Through it, shifting of H will be here, double bond will shift here, and it changes in CH3CHO in aldehyde. So that's why it is unstable in nature. While we'll go with the further, then this is the OH. This is called as propargyl. Yeah, and propargyl, GYL alcohol. So this was about the another important compound as a alcohol. See the video properly and try to just suppose the compound properly, structured properly. Because it is too important. Now I would like to go with the third important compound. What is that? That is your RnH2. Listen me carefully. That is your RnH2. Third important compound. This is the third important compound as a RnH2. If there is NH2 group in the carbon chain, then it will be primary or 1-degree amine. Primary or 1-degree amine, called as primary or 1-degree amine. But the name according to common system will be alkyl amine. Alkyl amine. So it will use of these substituent as alkyl group. So listen me carefully, and the distinguish to just 1-degree amine is your NH2. This is the way to distinguish 1-degree amine. So now the time to discuss about the name of compound. If you will go with these two compounds, then you can do now easily the name of compound properly. This is your removal of compound. Name of compound as a common name. So be with me. It's my promise. I will explain to you, and you can ask me through the WhatsApp number at 98291 also. If you have any problem by sending the name structure of the compound, I will send you the right answer at a moment. Because of me is popular for the great relationship between student and teacher. हमारा एक ही मेन मोटो है, आपको मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम देना, आपकी हर एक प्रॉब्लम का एट अ मोमेंट सॉल्यूशन करना. पर्टिकुलर व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं करें तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में भी आप अपना कमेंट डाल सकते हैं. नो डाउट आई विल सॉल्व यू ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स स्टार्टिंग. ये तो अभी स्टार्टिंग है बेटा, अभी तो बहुत से कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर भी पढ़ने हैं. सो लिसन मी केयरफुली. These are the your substituents like this. Here is also, here is also. So these are the popular substituent which we have discussed in previous video also. So these are the substituent. Now we'll go with the third function group as a 1-degree amine. So listen me carefully. Here is as a NH2, NH2. This is NH2. This is the NH2. This is NS2. This is NS2. This is NS2. This is the NS2. This is NS2. This is NS2. NS2. NH2. NH2. This is NH2. This is NH2. And you can take this chain also as follows: CS2 NS2. This is the NS2. This is your NH2. Also, you can take another more compound also. That is, you can take 19 compound. This is the 16, 17, 18, 19. This is your CS2 double bond CH, CS2, and this is the NH2. If you will go with the name of the compound, then this is the methyl and this is the amine, so it will be alkylamine. As a alkylamine, it will be methylamine. Methylamine. This is your ethylamine. Ethylamine. This is your N-propylamine. Don't forget it to use N. N को यूज करना ना भूलें. नॉर्मल के लिए N ही आएगा स्ट्रेट चेन के लिए. This is for isopropylamine. Isopropylamine. This will be your N-butylamine. N-butylamine. This is the secondary or 2 degree. Secondary or 2 degree butylamine. This is the isobutylamine. This is your 3 degree or tert butylamine. This is the N-pentyl or N-amylamine. This is your isopentyl or isoamylamine. Isopentyl amine or isoamylamine. This is your, you can say, secondary active pentyl amine. This is your, you can say, secondary pentylamine. Secondary or 2 degree pentylamine. This is your neopentylamine. Neopentylamine. For this it will be iso secondary active pentylamine. This is your, you can say, 3 degree pentylamine. 3 degree or tert pentylamine. This is your, you can say, active, because carbon is active. Active pentylamine. Active pentylamine. This is the vinylamine. Vinylamine. This is the propargylamine. Propargylamine. Many of the students call it just propargylamine. And this is the, you can say, allylic amine. So allylamine. This was about the nomenclature of as a third function group as 1 degree amine. So dear student, I will go with the just further in the next video, but be careful. First of all, you have to go with the substituent. Without knowing substituent, you can't do the common system, and common system is very important because it will not that question. Write the IPSC name of following compounds. It will ask you what will be the right IPSC name of the secondary pentylamine. Then it will be pentane 2, pentane 3 amine. So be with me, trust in me and my channel, and do the practice by writing on the paper and start to just make your notes also. Because of this video, these videos and this channel will give you a lot of matter. Till then, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद। इसी विश्वास के साथ में और आपसे बार बार यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इस चैनल को मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, ताकि ये उन स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंच सके जो कि हमारी पहुंच से बहुत दूर है। धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया।